Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning, Sutton High.
We're back.
Jake and Calvin. Yup, we're back. And today is December 15th. You already know, Christmas 10 days away. And it's day 6. Great
Lunch
day.
today. Lunch today. We got walking nachos with cheese, lettuce, sour cream, black bean salad, and a fruit slosh.
Fruit slosh.
I don't know what that is.
I don't either. There will be a CSL meeting Thursday, the 16th at 2 p.m. in Miss Gamble's room, 220. We'll be planning the projects for the 2022 year. New members are always welcome to come and help us make a difference in the Sutton community.
The Drama Club presents a Christmas Carol tomorrow and Saturday at 7 p.m. and Sunday at 2 p.m.
Oh.
in the auditorium. Tickets are only $5. We hope to see you there. That's a bargain.
It's a steal right there. All right, Student Council is organizing Deck the Halls event on Friday, December 17th after school. Students from every grade are asked to bring in leftovers or extra decorations to be used to decorate their designed hallway for the following week. Best hallway will receive a hot chocolate and cookie bar on the last day before the holiday break. Let's get festive up in here.
I don't even like chocolate.
Up in here.
The Student Council
Up in
welcomes
here.
anyone who is interested in joining or likes to get involved in planning fun events. We hope to see some new faces in Student Council.
That's all? All right.
That's really it.
The Wonder Variety Show is happening on December 23rd. Calvin and I are going to be performing a song. We hope to see you there. Please sign up using the QR codes posted around the building. Sign-ups are today. Here's our final highlight from the past show. Can't wait to see this. All right, fantastic.
That's low-key hard. I ain't
That
gonna
is,
lie.
yeah,
That's a
man.
great highlight.
Spirit Week, though. It's all you, man.
What's next week? Check out the posters to see what to wear. Here are the days and their themes.
I took this picture. I took it.
Jake took the picture.
I took the picture. It's not
Look
that.
at that. That is a terrible photo. That is
All
not
right.
even centered.
Matthew Jem is being recognized by Ms. Burek because he is a very conscientious student. That's a big word. He always puts in tremendous amount of effort in all his academic assignments and projects. He's very kind, caring, and considerate of all of his peers and will assist his classmates and friends when they are struggling. We need more people like Matthew in our school. Well, Matthew will advocate for assistance and uses his time wisely and productively during tutorials. He's always respectful in class and is eager to learn. He's very quiet and is a young man of few words, but he is very witty and has a great sense of humor. He's a pleasure. Now we're going to send it over to Mark Zuckerberg.
She had a lot to say about.
Yeah.
All right, this is a story all about how I teach you how to draw Santa Claus right now. So first, to draw Santa Claus, all right, well, that's how you draw Santa Claus. Back to you, Jack and Craven.
I don't get it.
That was just exhilarating. I'm very excited. That's all we got from you today.
I don't.
It's beginning to look a lot. Get out of here! Get out of here! Christmas